Okay guys, so I'm going to show you something what I do in a salon. So I just got a new bottle of the Dior Nail Glow because I absolutely love that product and I use it all the time. And this is the older bottle, and as you can see, I used majority of it. I don't thin out the nail polishes, so this is what it is, but it's quite thick. This, on the other hand, is a little bit too thin. So here's what I do. What I do is I clean off the brush and I pour the new to the old. And this gives me a perfect consistency. So I do like, well, half of this bottle really, a little bit more. So I leave a little bit behind of the new one. I usually clean the neck of the bottle, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Replace the brushes. So now this is the fresh one, right? The very, very thin one. So when this gets a little bit older, then I refill it with this one again. This way, you will never waste a drop of this extremely expensive nail polish. So I don't shake it, I roll this one around for the colors, for the, you know, different consistencies to mix. But now this is going to be a perfect consistency, because when this polish is very, very thin, when it's brand new, it needs two coats. Well, one coat is quite dull and two coats have okay shine. But when it's a little bit older, then it has a very nice shine in one coat. And this is what I like.